Hey, what's up? It's your boy Steve here, and welcome to Team Elevate, and also welcome to $25 1UP. In this video, guys, I'm going to walk you through on how to get things set up, really give you an overview. In this video, it's going to be more about just an overview of the back office. You definitely want to make sure that you're paying attention to these videos, the videos that we're creating inside our team, inside our system, also the videos that are available inside the $25 1UP. It's going to answer most of your questions. So time and time again, so many people have so many questions when they get started in something, and what's funny is that the answers are right there in front of them. If they take the time to go through the information. They just always want people to tell them what to do. Hey, you're an entrepreneur, you're a CEO. So guess what? You're going to have to start taking charge and looking for information and finding the information so you can really excel in what you're trying to do. But what I'm going to do in this video is give you a little bit more insight on where to go, point you in the right direction so you can have success getting leads, sales, and just really have a great experience working with $25 1UP. So what I have right here, guys, is the login page, which is $251up.com/login. Okay. And as you can see right here, you just put your email address in, your password. If you have forgotten your password and you're having issues trying to log in, click on here where it says forgot password. Hopefully you're using the right email address. A lot of times, a lot of new people that get started with this program and even other programs sometimes have an issue logging in because they forgot what email they used and password or whatever. There's nothing wrong with the system. System is just fine. Everybody else is logging in, no problem. You're using the wrong credentials if you're having that issue. So just a little insight there. So just click on forgot password. If the system says it doesn't know that password, well, obviously you use a different email address. So just make sure that you're maybe doing some troubleshooting. Definitely get back whoever enrolled you. They can probably give you some insight, so on and so forth. But there are things already in place to help you get inside the system. So once you get set up, put your email address in, your password, and then just click on login. I would definitely click on the remember field here, and that way your computer should be able to remember your login and password. So when you come back to this website, all that information should be pre-populated in the fields so you can access the system a lot more, efficiently. So I'm going to click on login here. Give it a few moments, and we're going to go inside the back office and get this thing going. So here I am. I'm in the back office. Your back office is going to look very similar to this. The video might be a little bit different, but the tabs and everything is going to be the same. Okay. And if you notice right here, guys, you're going to see some tabs over here on the left, which we're going to talk about here in just a few moments. And then you're going to see some tabs right here, steps 1 through 7. Step 1, you should have already paid your hosting fee, which is probably one reason why you're here. If you haven't, make sure you do that. Then you can get your gold membership. Click here. Step 3, get your platinum. Step 4, diamond. Step 5, enterprise. And most importantly, guys, you definitely want to go to step 6 to set up your profile, which is where you set up your payment information, which is what you tell the system how you want to receive your payments. How do you want people to send you those $25, $100, $250, and $500 payments? You want to use PayPal, you want to use Stripe, you want to use both, you want to use your merchant account, whatever. There's different ways, and you're going to see that in the next video. I'm going to walk you through more detailed information on how to set that information up. And but again, make sure that you go through these steps here, whichever package that you want, gold, platinum. Everybody should at least bare minimum be at least at the gold and platinum levels. But of course, number 1 recommendation is enterprise, and then of course right after that is diamond. Minimum expectation or recommendation is definitely platinum and gold. You definitely at least want to have both of those particular memberships, and this is where you would go to upgrade your account. Okay, so where do you go from here? Again, step 6 is your profile. Step 7 is this. I'm going to jump right into step 7 here. A lot of people miss this tab right here. This is a very, very, very important tab. So write this down or take a mental note of step 7 in your back office because it's going to give you videos that can show you how to do a lot of different things that you want to do or accomplish inside your business, inside the back office of $25 1UP. You definitely want to read this first here. If I click on that, you're going to see Give it a second here. You're going to see a video here. Make sure you watch that video. And then there's some very important information that you definitely want to read inside that particular tab. So I'm just going to back out of it because I want to give you the opportunity to check out that information as well. But again, just to recap, I'm in step 7. And when I clicked on step 7, it's going to give me a video on how to set up my profile. Okay, catch that? So if you want to know how to set up your profile, your name, email, your payment information, and all that, that's really important. Payment information. You want to get paid, right? So you got to set your profile up, right? So definitely check out this particular video. Other ways to get paid, how to confirm your payments, how to grab your links. Everybody wants to know their links without knowing any of this information. Well, this video shows you how to get your links, but you still need to know how all this stuff works and where information is at. How to add your autoresponder, how to edit your offer page, how to edit your sales page, how to change your password, how to set up your Stripe account. Stripe is like very similar to PayPal. You can receive money through Stripe and it just goes right into your bank account. How to set up your Get Response autoresponder, how to set up Aweber, how to set up your residual income, how to set up your branded sizzle call, and how to set up your bridge page. Okay, and again, I'm not going to go into that because guess what? They've got videos for them, right? So check out all that information, guys. The more you know, the better you're going to be in terms of the success that you're going to have inside the system. Knowledge is power. You know, knowledge is the new currency, right? So the more you know, especially in internet marketing and the business that you're promoting, the more valuable you're going to be toward people, because people like joining experts. Nobody wants to join somebody that doesn't know what they're doing, right? So again, that's step 7. Remember, step 7. Watch step 7. Watch those videos, right? It's going to answer a lot of your questions. I know you got questions. Where do I go? What do I do? Start here, okay? You're watching this video, which is great, okay? But start there. Now, if I go back over here, let me go back to the dashboard really quick here. Let me look at my time. All right, well, I'm going to try to keep this video short, right? But if you look over here, so we kind of went through these particular tabs here, steps 1 through 7, right? Step 7, again, step 7, right? If I go to the dashboard here, if you go to my account, there's your profile tab again, where you set up your profile, your information, your payment information, right? You can go there, and it's just another way to get there. Edit your sponsor page, these are just some other different features here. The My Products tab is how you can access your products, your trainings, your tools, your resources. You know, what you paid for, right? You get access to tools and resources and training and all kinds of cool stuff that we as entrepreneurs and marketers on the internet will definitely need to have success marketing on the internet. So if you're a gold member, you can go here. If you're a platinum member, you can go here, diamond, etc. Pretty self-explanatory, right? My Business is where you can confirm payments, people that are paying you through, through the Cash App or different other means. You can confirm payments here. You'll find out all that once you watch the other videos in step 7, right? You'll find out more information about that, of course. And then, of course, commissions is where you can find where how much you're getting paid. Did you get paid for this person that just signed up, so on and so forth. You can, check out all your commissions by going to what? My Business, and then what? Commissions, right? Make sense? Simple, guys, right? And then, of course, the funnel pages or sales funnel pages, or for a lot of people, my links, my marketing links. Where's my link so I can sign people up? Well, you go to funnel pages. So if I click on that, it'll bring up your different funnel pages. You can check out all that information there. And then, of course, contacts, like different leads, people that are coming into your capture pages that are actually set up, which are part of your funnel pages inside of $25 1UP. You got contacts, resources, this tab here where you can earn residual income. You can meet your sponsor here, leaderboard, or sponsors YouTube room, leaderboard, support, and of course log out. Now, one of the things that I always do anytime I start with a business, I go into the back office and I click on everything. I click on it and I just see what it is. Oh, okay, that's what that does. I analyze everything just to see what I have. I might not even use everything, and I don't even use everything that's here in the back office, $25 1UP, but I know where everything is at. If that makes sense. I don't memorize it, but I've just been through this stuff so many times. Now, if someone asks me a question that I don't know, I know exactly where to get it. I can go back here and go exactly to get the answer, whatever that might be. So take the time, even though you're new and you're excited and you're ready to start making those instant 100% commissions and learning a lot of great information inside the back office to help you become a much better marketer, so on and so forth. I get it. You're ready to roll. You're ready to just to get going. I get it. But hey, take some time to go through what you have, watch the videos, make sure you have everything set up, right? And have a plan on how you want to really start marketing this business. Now, the cool thing is that I'm going to give you guys a lot of great insights and things that you can follow in this training series to really help you to get set up. But first things first, you definitely want to make sure that you know your back office and know what things are available for you so you can have success. And again, you can learn a lot just by going to the system training in step 7 right here near the bottom, right? You know, steps 1 through 7, the last one, step 7, can give you a lot of insight and a lot of information to really help you to get set up. So that's it for this video, guys. Again, on the next video, I'm going to talk about a little bit more on how to really get things set up in terms of your profile and your payment information. So with that said, hope you enjoyed this video. Take the time, look over everything in your back office, check everything out. We'll see you on the next video.